Hello friends, if you are searching how to cancel Yogaworks subscription, so your search ends here. After watching this video, you can easily cancel your Yogaworks subscription via online, only in some easy steps. All steps you can see on your screen. Let's get started. Method 1. Cancel Yogaworks subscription from website. Go to Yogaworks website and log into your account. Click on the settings button from the top right corner of the screen and select manage subscription. Tap on cancel subscription. You will get two options: pause and cancel. Choose no thanks, I want to cancel, and then tap on the continue button. Choose a valid option from the survey and hit the confirm cancellation option. In the next window, you will see that your subscription is cancelled. And you are done. Method 2. Cancel Yogaworks subscription from iPhone or iPad. Open your iOS settings and click on your name. Click on the subscriptions and tap Yogaworks subscription from the list. Then, finally, click on the cancel subscription button and your subscription will be cancelled. And you are done. Method 3. Yogaworks subscription from Google Play Android app. Follow these simple steps to cancel your Yogaworks subscription from Google Play app. Go to your Google Play app from your Android device. Tap on the menu button and go to the subscriptions page. Select Yogaworks subscription from the list. Then, click on the cancel subscription. And follow the prompts. And you are done. Only by using this method you can cancel your Yogaworks subscription. Hope you liked this video. If yes, please hit a like button. And don't forget to follow our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.